Mawan Hidden Canyon is located around 100 kilometers from the city of Ad Dilam, south of Riyadh. The surrounding land mainly includes sand, gravel, sandstone, and xerophytic shrubs.
This landscape formation is common in Saudi Arabia.
The rift in this landscape is known as the Mawan Hidden Canyon, and this valley is considered the most important archaeological place in Saudi Arabia. The marvelous view of the valley has two stone structures on both sides. There are also remains of forts and castles. The towers are conical in shape, with their centers open to the bottom, and they look like a cave without a roof. Mawan Canyon is less than a mile long, and its wall is 6 meters high or even higher. Its width varies from 4 to 8 meters. On the walls of the canyon, the beautiful interplay of layers of sandstone and limestone is visible. Nowadays, there are no human settlements nearby, but given the rigid environment, the Hidden Valley is one of the most important hiking trails in the Riyadh region. This trail combines huge rocky cliffs, desert sands, and water that gathers like a little pond in a short period, but when rains are not coming over for years, it dries out. The trails are interspersed with several enjoyable activities such as camping, cooking in the open air, cycling, and taking souvenir photos and videos in the areas that allow.